In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with GoHighLevel. This quick setup connects your GoHighLevel account to Slack so your team can see important updates right where they work. We'll walk through the connection inside your sub-account, authorize Slack, and make sure everything is linked correctly. Keep GoHighLevel open in your browser as we go. Start by opening the specific GoHighLevel sub-account you want to connect. The integration is applied at the sub-account level, so make sure you're in the right location for the brand or client that should receive Slack notifications. Once you're inside that sub-account, head to Settings. You'll typically find the gear icon on the left-hand menu. Give the page a second to load so you see all the available options. Inside Settings, look for Integrations. This is the hub where you connect third-party tools to GoHighLevel. Open Integrations, and you'll see a list of supported apps. Scroll through the list and locate Slack. If you have a lot of integrations, a quick page search in your browser can help you find it faster. When you see Slack, click Connect. This will open a new window or tab to start the authorization flow with Slack. If nothing opens, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups for GoHighLevel, then try again. You should now be on a secure Slack page asking you to continue. If this is your first time connecting Slack on this device or browser, sign into your Slack account. Use the Workspace credentials for the team that should receive GoHighLevel updates. If you belong to multiple workspaces, confirm you're on the correct one before proceeding. You can switch workspaces from the drop-down in the Slack authorization screen if needed. Next, review the permissions Slack is requesting for GoHighLevel. These typically allow GoHighLevel to post messages to channels you choose and to read limited workspace details required to complete the connection. When you're comfortable with what's being requested, click Allow. This tells Slack it's okay for GoHighLevel to communicate with your workspace. You'll be redirected back to GoHighLevel, and you should see Slack marked as connected on the integrations page. That's your confirmation that the link is active. From here, the integration will be available inside your GoHighLevel tools, such as workflows and notifications, so you can route key updates straight into your Slack channels. And that's it. You opened your sub-account, went to Settings, opened Integrations, found Slack, clicked Connect, signed in if it was your first time, and approved the connection with Allow. Your GoHighLevel and Slack are now integrated and ready to work together.